In this video I'm going to show you how to reset your printer to the factory defaults, and this is HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer. You can also follow it for 202 mobile printer. Go to the printer display panel. On the first option you will see the setup. Press OK and then select tools and press OK. Go to the last option, restore, and press OK and confirm yes. So this will remove everything like admin password and Wi-Fi settings and other settings you have saved on the printer. Everything will go to the default. So it is done. You will see the wireless light starts to flash. So printer is reset to the factory defaults. And now you can just set up again if you want. Thanks for watching.